Hello students, now the fourth example is two poles of height 18 meters and 7 meter are erected on the ground. दो poles लिए हमने A, B and C, D are the two poles of height 7 meter and 18 meter are erected on the ground. Erected on the ground means उसको क्या किया, ground में fix किया इसे, ठीक है, दो poles. The length of the wire fastened at their tops is 22 meter. दोनों के जो tops है, pole के tops, वो दोनों को क्या किए, एक वायर से क्या किया, उसको बांध दिया हमने, ठीक है. तो वायर का लेंथ है उधर 22 मीटर्स. फाइंड द एंगल मेड बाय द वायर विद द हॉरिजॉन्टल. तो इफ AE इज द हॉरिजॉन्टल देन वी हैव टू फाइंड दिस एंगल मेड बाय दिस वायर AC विद दिस हॉरिजॉन्टल AE. यहाँ का एंगल कितना रहेगा, या एंगल क्या करना है अपने को फाइंड करना है. ओके, सो फॉर दैट सेम इन third example same figure is there, only conditions are different here. Now again we consider this quadrilateral ABDE. In this quadrilateral is a rectangle because each angle is equal to 90 degree, so opposite sides are congruent. So this 7 meter, so this is also 7 meter. Now this whole CD is 18 meter. Out of this CD, this ED is 7 meter, so length of this CE it will be 11 meters. Okay, now here opposite side of theta is known, hypotenuse is known, and opposite upon hypotenuse, that is the sine ratio. So by using that ratio we can find angle theta. Okay, so in this way we have to go for this solution for this question. Okay, now solution is like this. So this is the solution for this fourth example. We start solution like this. Let segment AB and segment CD are two poles, as I explained before. AC represent the wire at segment AE is the horizontal, AB is equal to 7 meter, CD is equal to 18 meter and AC is equal to 22 meter. Angle CAE is the angle made by the wire with the horizontal. So we consider, let angle CAE is equal to theta degree. So quadrilateral ABDE is a rectangle, therefore DE is equal to AB is equal to 7 meter and CD is equal to 18 meters, and therefore CE plus ED is equal to 18. And therefore CE plus ED is 7 plus is equal to 18, and therefore CE is equal to 18. This plus 7 becomes minus 7, and therefore CE is equal to 11. This is the value for CE, that is 11. Now in triangle CAE, sin theta is equal to opposite side upon hypotenuse, that is CE upon AC. Okay, CE upon AC, and therefore sin theta is equal to 11 upon 22. Just simplify this. 11 ones are 11, 2s are, so sin theta is equal to 1 upon 2. But sin 30 is equal to also 1 upon 2. You compare those two equations and then you will get theta is equal to 30 degree, and therefore the angle made by the wire with horizontal is 30 degree. So in this way we have to solve this example number 4. Now come to fifth one. Fifth example is like this. A storm broke a tree and tree top rested 20 meter from the base of the tree. A storm broke a tree, यानी जब तेज हवा चलती है ना, तेज हवा चलने की वजह से क्या हो गया, एक ट्री जो है वो टूट गया, और ट्री टॉप रेस्टेड 20 मीटर फ्रॉम द बेस, और उसका जो टॉप रहेगा वो जमीन पे रेस्ट हुआ कितने मीटर पे, 20 मीटर फ्रॉम द बेस ऑफ द ट्री. बेस, ट्री के बेस से 20 मीटर हाइट के ऊपर उसका टॉप जो है वो क्या हुआ, जमीन के ऊपर रेस्ट हुआ, मेकिंग एन एंगल ऑफ 60 डिग्री. वहां पे एंगल कितना फॉर्म हुआ, 60 डिग्री का विद द हॉरिजॉन्टल. फाइंड द हाइट ऑफ द ट्री. तो वो ट्री का हाइट कितना रहेगा वो फाइंड करना है, ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे अपने को दो चीज फाइंड करना पड़ेगी. एक तो BC, यहाँ पे जो ट्राइंगल फॉर्म हो, यहाँ पे ट्राइंगल, इन ट्राइंगल BCD. ओके, ये BC फाइंड करना पड़ेगा पहले, और BC फाइंड होने के बाद में CD भी फाइंड करना पड़ेगा. फिर ये दोनों की एडिशन करेंगे, क्योंकि ये AC ये जो पार्ट है इक्वल टू क्या रहेगा तुम्हारा CD, क्योंकि उतना ही पार्ट ब्रोक होके वो क्या हुआ है, रेस्ट हुआ है जमीन के ऊपर, ठीक है. सो बोथ सेगमेंट वी हैव टू फाइंड, एंड दिस हाइट ऑफ द ट्री इज नथिंग बट AC प्लस BC. ये दोनों सेगमेंट की लेंथ ऐड करेंगे तो अपने को क्या मिलेगा, टोटल हाइट मिलेगी. ओके, सो वी स्टार्ट सॉल्यूशन फॉर दिस एज. Now the fifth example is the solution for fifth example we consider as segment AB represent the tree before the storm. This AB. Okay, due to storm tree gets broken at C. Storm की वजह से पॉइंट C के ऊपर क्या हो गया, वो ट्री ब्रेक हुआ. Broken part AC takes the position CD. Broken part this AC takes the position CD, and therefore AC का जितना लेंथ रहेगा उतना ही लेंथ किसका रहेगा, CD का रहेगा. So BD is equal to 20 meters. Angle CDB is equal to 60 degree. Now therefore in right angle triangle CBD tan 60 is equal to BC upon BD, and therefore root 3 is equal to BC upon 20. By taking cross multiplication, we will get BC is equal to 20 root 3. This is 20 root 3, okay, meters. This is the one part. Now sin 60 is equal to CB upon CD, but sin 60 is nothing but root 3 upon 2 is equal to 20 root 3. This is 20 root 3 upon CD. By taking cross multiplication, so root 3 into CD is equal to 2 into 20 root 3, and therefore CD is equal to 2 into 20 root 3, and this root 3 get divided here. So this root 3 get cancelled, and you will get CD is equal to 40, and therefore AC is equal to CD is equal to 40, and therefore AB is equal to AC plus CB. We can write it as A dash C dash B, because those 3 points are collinear points. Therefore we can write AB as AC plus CB, that is 40 plus 20 root 3. Those terms are not like terms, so we can't add them, okay, and therefore the height of the tree is 40 plus 20 root 3 meters. So in this way we have to solve this fifth example. Now the last example you have to solve. Last example जो है वो क्या करना है, तुमको solve करना है. कैसे solve करना है? Only that diagram I will explain here. A kite is flying at a height of 60 meter. एक kite है 60 meter high पे क्या कर रही है, वो उड़ रही है. So at the position of A there is a kite of 60 meter high from the ground. This is the ground level, okay, this is the ground level. Above the ground a string attached to the kite is tied at the ground. उसकी जो string रहेगी उसको क्या करेंगे हम लोग, ground पे tie करेंगे. So AB, that is the height of the kite from the ground, 60 meters, okay. At point D we tie the string at the ground, okay. It makes an angle of 60 degree with the ground. That string makes an angle of 60 degree with the ground. Assuming the string is straight, find the length of the string. Assume क्या करना है कि इसके अंदर कोई भी ऐसा झोल नहीं है. एडी स्ट्रिंग के अंदर पतंग उड़ाते तो ऐसा थोड़ा सा कर्व आता है, ऐसा कर्व आता है, देखो पतंग उड़ाते होता है ऐसा कर्व आता है. So there is no curve, the string is very straight, okay. So by considering this we have to find the length of this string. ये इसका length क्या रहेगा वो find करना है, okay. That means we have to find hypotenuse of this triangle. इसका क्या find करना है, hypotenuse find करना है. Angle is given, opposite side is given, and we have to find hypotenuse. So in which ratio this opposite side upon hypotenuse that comes? So in sine ratio. So by using sine ratio you can easily find length of AD. तो ये example जो है वो क्या करना है, तुमको solve करना है, okay. So in this way we finish this sixth lesson, that is trigonometry here. Now in next video we will start the next topic, new chapter, that is mensuration, okay. Thank you.